If you want to remove a payment method from your YouTube account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account as the payment method you want to remove. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Payment. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments or Billing section. This is where you can manage your payment methods associated with your account. Step 4. Manage payment methods. Once in the Payments section, you will see a list of your current payment methods. Find the payment method you wish to remove and click on it to see more options. Step 5. Remove payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the payment method. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure it is successfully removed from your account. After completing these steps, your selected payment method will be removed from your YouTube account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to YouTube support.